Assalamu alaikum. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, let's start.
Welcome to Lesson 18, the last lesson of the first chapter of this course, reading course. In this lesson, we're going to learn the sun letters. Let's jump to the whiteboard and explain this. What is sun letters? We already know that sun letters are 14 sun letters, and it comes after the definite article alif lam, and if you saw it, you make lam silent. And instead of saying al-shams, you have to say ish-shams. What are these 14 letters? Let's see. Ta, sa, dal, zal, ra, zay, sin, sheen, sad, dad, ta, za, and lam, and nun. Now, do I have to memorize the 14 moon letters and the 14 sun letters? I mean, to know each group in separate? The answer is you don't have to. It will be like a bonus, but I'm going to give you a tip that will help you to differentiate between them in reading in just a second. Let me show you. We have tamr, tamr. Now, with definite article, il, tamr, no. We don't say il, we say it. It tamr. Now, what is the tip here? The tip is look at the letter after alif lam. If you saw the emphasis mark, the shadda mark, so know immediately it's a sun letters, it's a sun letter, and what you have to do now is to make lam silent. So, it-tam, is-sa'lab, it-dub, it's not il, it's it-dub, is-zarra, ir-raml, is-samaka, is-shams. So, look, here, shadda, 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 shadda. So all of them are sun letters. Now let's read the indefinite and the definite article. Tamr, it-tamr. Sa'lab, is-sa'lab. Dub, it-dub. Zarraf, is-zarra. Raml, ir-raml. Samaka, is-samaka. Shams, is-shams. So, this is for the reading course. After mastering all these 18 lessons, you should see anything in Arabic in Egypt and outside Egypt, but in Egyptian dialect, and you see it and you can read it and you can write it. Congratulations. This is the reading course. Now, we're going to move to the second course.
Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or topics you would like to see next. And make sure to subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with new videos. See you the next lesson.